For those of you who have had Java experience, there's really not a lot of difference when it comes to this. But for Python users, remember that Python was an interpretive language. It would try to run as much as it can until it blew up. It's very different than the process in C++, where you use your editor, whatever editor that you want to use is going to be creating a source file. There's no difference there. But from here on out, there's a big difference because it's going to go through a compiler. If the compiler likes it, it's actually going to try to link it to some other pre-created files, just like Python does with def, I think it's been a little while. Or import, is it import? It's import. But anyway, that part's the same, and then you create an executable file from there. But the compiler is going to be the one that's going to stop you from, hey, this is a mistake, you can't go any farther. That's what's going to stop you. Your IDE is also going to help you in that process and say, hey, wait a minute, before it even gets to the compiler, I can tell you there's going to be a problem. You probably didn't have that with your Python experience, but those who have done Java before, there really isn't any difference on this. But that's a part of the process is that you don't just install, frankly, just the editor. You have to also install a compiler as well. And some of these, like Eclipse and Visual Studio, they come with all of this. But just making sure that you know it's really actually a two-step process for those of you who have interpreting language experience like Python.